Welcome to Lesson 22. In this episode, I will show you how to add new materials and edit existing materials in the Analyzer CAD material database. For instance, you're assigning materials to this cabinet here. I have created a new cabinet front and material front. You need to go into Part Properties and select the part. Then we have our general, generic, and external materials. You can normally overwrite this. It's not a problem for a one-off, but if you want to add it to the database, the one here, you can now press Add Materials. This gives you access to the Material Manager. This is an 18mm board. You want to add this at the end of all your generic materials here. You click on the spot where you want to add it, click on New Materials. Now you can modify it to an 18mm walnut grain board. It has added it exactly to that spot here. So it now appears after the generic materials. Your material is now modified to suit your requirements. This can only be saved in the current session. You now can save this to a file to the actual database. Once this has been saved, it will be available in the material database. That's how you add a new material and how it becomes permanently saved in the database. You will also have access to the material in Global Settings. Go into Materials via Global Settings and you can now edit it or change the name. Let's say you don't want the word grain in the material name. You can edit this by deleting the word grain from the name. Once saved, the name will be changed to now say just walnut. Or if you find it easier, you can just delete it. You click Edit and Delete Material. Save the file and it's gone. You can also use this feature to sort your material database. In case you're not happy with the way your database is configured, you can edit or delete materials to suit your requirements. You can also compact your database to show only materials that you use often. You can also add new materials or just rearrange to suit. Just click on the spot where you want the new material and add it to suit. You can also copy and paste materials and move them to other places. For instance, if you want to sort by 12mm thickness material, you can copy using Ctrl+C. If you want to move the material name, let's say, to the very top of the list. Go to the top of the list and press Ctrl+V. Now it's copied to the position nominated. You can arrange your whole database this way. Don't forget to click Save to File. That concludes our overview of the Material Editor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.